welcome to another video. On my way back to Limassol, I found out about this place. Let's go check it out together. It's called Sokoriki Village Holiday Apartments. It looks like a big complex of apartments. Everything is destroyed and abandoned. Just a place we can explore. Let's see. Okay, that's the toilet. It's totally disgusting. The place is full of excrements. That looks like the basement. I'll check it out later. Probably the kitchen was down there and the food was prepared down there. So we are gonna go check it out after we see this place here. It looks like this place has been abandoned for a long time. I think probably more than a decade. But look at the view that these guys had here. You got about 24 buildings, a common swimming pool. This over here used to be some probably a playground, a tennis court probably, or basketball court. Did any of you guys stay here? Write me in the comments. Anybody here? They vandalized the place. They even stole the toilet seats and the bathtubs. The carpet is still here. Oh, it looks like small dead pigeons here. Babies. Let's go see the roof. Oh, somebody's sleeping over here. This is the only mattress that I have seen here. So that means somebody brought it here. Either to lie down, sleep, or you know what? All right. Right, this place doesn't have too many things to check out. Probably will be cooler to check out in the night. Again, it's just another abandoned place. I have to find out when it closed down exactly. I will write it in the comments. If any of you guys used to stay here during your holidays, let me know in the comments and how it was. Probably there was a gym in this place. All right, every place is destroyed, vandalized. Every building has exactly the same characteristics as the other ones. Guys, we can't always have exciting sights to video, but either way, now you know another place in Cyprus that you can explore, or alone or with your dog. That's it from me. Have a good day and see you on the next video. Bye bye Sokoriki Hotel Apartments. Let's see what renovation will happen to this place 5 years from now.